any areas that hurt today?
Here.
The low back area-ish?
My back.
Stand normal for me.
And my neck. I'm in my head.
Yeah, headache. So we already adjusted her neck earlier because she had a pretty bad headache. And she had one, oh, you can't really see it, it's dark. Hold on. She had, like, her C1, C2 was a little twisted up there. So a lot of times when people have subluxations up here, it's usually causes headaches, not always. And for her also, let's see if she's uneven. So not too terrible. Not too bad. This shoulder's definitely rolled forward on her. And this trap is sitting a little bit higher. Not too bad though. And then she has anterior pelvic tilt. Exaggerated curve right there, which causes her a lot of low back pain. Let me put this down a little bit. So for her too, the areas that I like to address are her CT. So in the last video I kind of explained it's about C6, C7 to T1, this kind of area right here, which gets locked up in a lot of people. And then through her thoracics too is a little bit restricted. And then her low back and a lot of women I find, like right at their bra strap, is always a little bit twisted. So those are all the areas we're gonna address. Actually pretty good. Right there. Always right here on your ribs. Super twisty there. Okay, we'll do your low back too. Lay on your side. Perfect. Yep. There you go. Good. That's good. Lay your back. You like how I just picked up your foot? Oh, you're right on, Rockstar. So that was super easy, just adjustment only. So I didn't do any muscle work on her really, which I do a lot because she has a lot of tension up through the traps here and in the low back. But she's got to go. So that is just a quick adjustment video. How do you feel?
Right, amazing.
Sweet.
Could have been better.
What do you think about the guy that commented quackery on my last video?
I think total D-bag.